HS Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we're going to show you a couple of discs that I've archived, and also we've spent the last weekend just trying to tidy up the studio, sort it out a bit. Still work in progress. Got to sort out the ACOUSTIC in the corner over here. A little bit of a mess there still to deal with. Also messing about with my extra mods and stuff to go onto there. And yeah, just basically moved it across here, so it's got a little bit more space, and as you can see, getting there slowly. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into these discs. So peeps, as you can see, as I've been archiving them, I've been putting a little tick on it to know that I've been saving them, and I'm saving them onto discs and actually keeping all the image files so that I can then put them into my Floppy Emulator USB and have them to be able to call them up at any time to save memory. I'm still looking to pimp up my ACOUSTIC further. I've also got the easy zip drive because I wanted to be able to use these. These are the Joker discs, and this is with the original Mr. Pugwash's writing. Man had seriously neat handwriting. This is old TDK's song disc. Got a lot of his projects and samples on there. March 96 samples. Be interesting to get my hands on these samples, see what's on there. So we've got some 1996 stuff. Don't even know what that is. It's definitely something. And also these, as you can see. Oops, got it upside down, as you can see. So yeah, so I'm desperate to get my hands on those. Another little peek of some of the other disc collections. I'm in the process of doing this now, ripping that. Here's my 950 bits and pieces, and in there you'll find, look at that, being deluxe says here, samples. We've got what's this, Future B, 950 Future B, JD800 sounds. We used to sort of archive a lot of the synths and stuff we used to get our hands on, put them onto this, some of the little selection of some of the best sounds. I guess this is a Joker disc. It says Tonics Hop disc, CD4 volume 4, CD001. I'm assuming these are from like a sample CD. That's why they say CD. It says you don't have ACOUSTIC Vox, not sure what that is. 950 new psalms. So I'm going to put these, probably run these through OmniFlop first, put a little tick on them when I'm done. As you can see, that one's got a tick on it. I saved that on my other PC that I actually sort of took apart, the Windows XP PC. Now I've got my Windows 7 PC set up with the SSD drive. I'm sort of continuing the archive of my discs. I've got quite a few of these old packs were really cool for organising my old floppies and stuff. And I've also got this box here. This was all my kind of ragga jungle style samples. I used to call it my Fever Project box, named after the Jungle Fever. And in here was all my kind of like little ragga bits and stuff, like you can see here. Look, samples. There says Scene, Ease, Oh Ganja Man, Big Respect, Murder, etc, etc. Look, another one. These are all the 950, so I know we're going back to 91, 92 here. The Ja People, Hip Hop Break, another one. Look, Bad Boy, All the Massive, Come With It. There's lots of samples there. Look, so these are all like ragga vocals in it that I've got to go through yet. You see, look, Fever Project. I made a little series of these, ACOUSTIC series 1 to 4. Dirty Harry samples. I mentioned this in another last video. Look, Play What We Play, exclusively yours. So comment down below if you want to see a little series where I just play what samples are on a couple of these discs, man, so you can see kind of how we edit it. Why can't I say edit? Edited. See how we edited it. See how we edited. See how we edited it. Can you say edited? Can you say edited? Edited. Oh my word, I can't say it. Finding these videos interesting, come on guys, smash that like button. It doesn't take much to just go, yeah, just smash the like button. You know, if you want to help this project in some way or the other, just, you know, show some love, just press the like button. Interact with us, comment down below. If you can't comment down below, at least press the like button, and then we can see some likes going up, and I could know what's working, what's not working. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the discs. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take care. God bless. Peace.